Oftentimes, the hearings are on Zoom. And so you're going to be logging into Zoom, and it is a group probate court. Everyone is in the Zoom room together of all the different people that have petitioned the court to open a probate for a deceased person. And they also have within this hearing people who have petitioned to have conservatorships or guardianships. So it's a bulk hearing all at once. And generally, the judge will call the conservatorships and guardianships first. Once they finish those, then they start with the probate cases. And at that point, they will call the decedent's name and the court file number, and your turn will be up, and we'll be with you in the courtroom. Usually, if everything looks good in the documents, the judge doesn't see any issues, they will ask if anyone contests the appointment of the personal representative. If nobody contests and the paperwork is in good order, the judge will sign what's called the court order and the letters testamentary or letters of administration. Basically, what that will do is it will appoint you to become personal representative of the estate so that you'll be able to start collecting the assets. Financial institutions will have to start communicating with you, essentially giving you the assets of the decedent. So you're going to be able to start collecting their assets, paying their debts, and then finally distributing out assets to the intended beneficiaries. The court hearing is generally pretty short, assuming nobody contests appointment. We will see you there.